Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we are back here with a Sam Fender song. We love Sam Fender here on Gordon Guitar, and this one is called Dead Boys. So this is pretty easy to play, 4 easy chords, and we have this picking pattern that we also can use. It's optional, so I'm gonna show you both ways of playing this song. So let's start right away. No need for any capo here, and let's start with the chords. We have the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be G, so that is third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have F, so you bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And finally we have the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so like I said, a picking pattern, but also a strumming pattern here. Later, we'll start with this picking pattern that is for the intro and for the first verse and chorus. And then comes the strumming into the picture here in the song later. But first, we need to look at the different grips here we need for the chords. So when it's A minor, we have this grip here. That is how we're gonna play when you pick it, okay? So what you do there, you just alternate the 5th fret here on the E string in the bass. And then you alternate that with the 3rd fret on the A string. So starting with the E and E, A, E, A, E, A, like this. Okay, so that's how you do the A minor. Then for G, the same pattern here, but you just play now instead 3rd here on the E string, and you alternate that with the 3rd on A. And what you can do there, you can just bar here, the 3rd fret, these 2 frets here. Bar these 2 strings like this, okay? That's the G grip, and then we have the F grip here. Looks like that, and that is 1st on E now, and you alternate that still with 3rd on A. Okay. So that's the F. And then we have a final part here for the C. And for this one, it sounds like this. It's more than just alternating 2 notes. This sounds like this. Okay. So 1 round of C would be these 8 notes. And what you do there, you're gonna play 3rd on A, then 3rd on E on the top, then back to 3rd on A, then 1st on E, then back again, 3rd A, then 3rd on E, and you play that again, 3rd on A, and 3rd on E. So slowly. 3rd A, 3rd E, 3rd A, 1st E, 3rd A, 3rd E, 3rd A, 3rd E. That is 1 round. And yeah, you're gonna play that in all, for all cases here, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds when we use this picking pattern for C. So that's 1, and then that's 2. Alright, so now when we have all these grips here for the picking, we can start the song here. The intro will be 16 rounds of this A minor, and 1 round that will be 1, like 2 notes, E, A. That is 1 round, so 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is the intro. And then starts the first verse, okay? So this first verse will be just back and forth between A minor and G. So you're gonna play 16 for A minor, then 8 for G, then 16 A minor, and 16 G. So a bit slower than the original tempo will be like this. Starting from A minor to G, A minor to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you're really gonna practice your alternate hair picking. So that is what the first verse is all about. 16 A minors, 8 Gs, 16 A minors, and 16 Gs. Okay, then comes the chorus, the lyrics with close our eyes. So now you're gonna play F, still the same picking pattern. So F to G to A minor to C and back to A minor. Okay, so what you do there, you're gonna play 6 rounds for F. So 4, 5, 6. Then you go to G and play 2 rounds. And what I do there, I just slide up here to the 3rd fret and bar it. So I have these 2 notes there, the E and A on the 3rd fret. Play 2 rounds. And then I'm gonna play 8 rounds of A minor. So when I bar it with my index finger here, I just add on this note here, this 5th on E, and get the A minor grip. Play 8 rounds of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then comes the C, and remember, we have this kind of melody here for 2 rounds. And I go back to A minor and play 8 rounds. All right. So that is one chord progression here for the chorus. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and then you're gonna end with an F for 16 rounds. Okay? So I'm gonna play one chord progression round for you, so you understand how it's done. I'm gonna slow down the tempo a little bit so you see everything, because this goes pretty fast. So that is perhaps what you need to do to begin with, to slow down the tempo and practice this one and speed up gradually. Okay, so let's go a bit slower. Starting with F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, G, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, then C. A minor. Okay, one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that is one chord progression. So 2 rounds of that, and then just end with 16 on F. And that is the chorus. Now for the second verse, it will be played in the same way if you choose to play the picking here, like the first verse. But from now on, you can start to play the strumming. Okay, so what you do there, you have the same chords, A minor to G, okay? But now the strumming will be down, up, down, up. So you will have the amounts of rounds when you choose to play the strumming. So 16 A minors means 8 rounds of the down, up when it comes to the strumming. So A minor, like this. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So one round is, all right. So 8 times of A minor, 4 Gs, because we had 8 rounds of the picking for the G. Now that means 4 rounds of G strumming, and then back to A minor 8 rounds and G 8 rounds. That would sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G, A minor, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G, yeah, so that's how you handle the strumming. And the same goes here for the chorus. You just have the amount of times when you play and choose to play the strumming here. So that means F now will be 3 times, G 1 time, A minor 4 times, and for C here when we play the melody, now for the strumming it will be equal to 4 rounds of strumming. And then A minor finally 4 rounds of strumming as well. And the chord progression will be exactly the same as we had here for the first chorus. Then comes an instrumental part, an interlude, and the chords here will be F, C, G, A minor. And this one is just about the strumming, okay? No need for picking here. And this will be 4 strumming rounds per chord here. So 4 Fs, 4 Gs, sorry, Cs, and then, so the chord progression, I said wrong there, was F to C to G to A minor. So F 4 times, C, G, and A minor. Okay, that is one chord progression. F, C, and A minor. So you had 2 rounds here for the interlude, and then starts another chorus. And for this chorus, in the lyrics, we close our eyes, learn our pain, and so on. We'll just continue the same playing here, same chords and same kind of playing. So in total, with this interlude and this final chorus, you will play 6 rounds of the F, C, G, and A minor, 4 rounds for strumming for each chord. And then right after this final A minor, after the 6 rounds, you play just 1 down on F. So all the dead boys in our hometown, on town, there you play 1 down on F. And then this song just ends with the same as the verse, you can say, or pretty, well, not really, but the same way of playing as the verse. You play A minor 16 rounds with the picking, so that means then 16 rounds of F, and then you go back to A minor 16 rounds. And then you just play 1 bass on F, like this. Just 1 down on F, and that is how this cool song from Sam Fender, Dead Boys, ends. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know. Please thumb up this if you liked it. And subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps me a lot, and it's really motivating to see this channel grow. Now closing on to the 1,000 subscribers. Wow, what a year. That went very fast, so I really appreciate all your help here. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.